Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to use the grouping feature in the reports. Let's jump right into it. This is our current report. It shows employees across various roles and their performance review. If I have a look at the data, I also have their departments with me. I would like to group the data based on the department. So let's jump right back into it. From the inspector, select insert band, click on group header. Okay, in group header you would want to select so in my scenario it is department. Click OK, move the group header on top of the department. Okay, sorry, master data. Let's drag our object, which is department. Okay, let's make it little bold, 12. Let's also change its color to maroon for some weird reason. Let's underline it as well. Oh, not my bad. Sorry. Okay, yes. Oh, this is the table. This is the font color. Okay, let's underline it as well. And let's preview. Here we have. I hope this helps you out. Thank you.